Hey, what's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how to adjust the door so we will close the door in any position. So even that your door is a little open like here, so it close the door. So as you see the door closing now, but here is a high rise, and on the high rise when the elevator is going up, door closed, but when it's going down we have a negative pressure. I don't know why, but doesn't let the door close. So now door closed perfect, but wait and see. Right now the elevator is going down and you see the door doesn't get closed. So, and this is the fire door, it has to be closed in any position. So let's do it. There is a screw one in the bottom, so you have to unscrew that one, and one is going to be on the top. So unscrew that one to be able to take the cover off. So under the cover is going to be door closer. So you have to know about this. Latch is L, C is closing, D is delay, and here you're going to see latch, closing, and back check. So I have another video, I'm gonna put that in the link in the description. It show everything. So back check, it was that one I show you, and this is the delay. So delay is gonna be that one. So make sure to check that video. So today we're gonna work with this one, the spring. So the problem is a spring. To make the door close no matter what, you have to make your spring stronger. So I'm going to show you how to adjust that and make the door close. So to adjust that, you have to turn that clockwise. Here you see the clockwise is a positive, you have to do the clockwise. So I'm going to turn that 5 or 6 times. Not in the case, it is a half a turn, not half, even quarter turn. So I do almost 1 turn, and we're gonna check it again. So you see it's not closing. So I'm waiting when the elevator is going down and I test it, because when it's going down it doesn't work. So now I'm gonna do couple turn more and you guys gonna see the result. Let's do it. There you go, it's closed perfect. Even I open a little. So because this is fire door and we don't wanna this door be open just for in case if it's a fire, so everybody go to the stairwell. So we want that door closed anytime. So this is very important to door be closed at all the time. So this is the way you adjust the door so to be closed. Make sure subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and like the video for YouTube algorithm. That helped my channel a lot. I will show you how to fix the problem around your home. Fix your home by yourself without paying anyone. So this is the trick. So if you have a house, you gonna have a problem, and the problem is gonna be solved in this channel. So make sure to subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Have a great day.